Hey, this is Elma, the Nantech Techie, and today I'd like to show you how to scrape an Airbnb listing page using Hexofy. So, what is Hexify? Hexify is a tool that can capture data from any web page like magic. That's what they said, and that is really true because it's a truly no code solution, especially for people like me who are non tech and struggle to find the correct CSS selector when we are scraping a web page. So, um, another thing about Hexify is that it's actually made by the same company as Hexawatch and Hexospark, and it's called Hexact. And their products have been really, really easy to use for non-techies like me. So let's go ahead and look how to do it. Show you how to do it. Okay, so here I have Hexify, the extension, and these are the data that it can capture. So this isn't enough for me. So what I want to do is I want to create a new template and we start customizing. So here we have the text here. So I'm saying that's text, apply, rating, text, apply, number of reviews, text apply. I keep on forgetting to do this. It's a good habit to do this. Okay, property name, and then this one is rating, and this one is reviews. Okay, now let's say I want to add this one if the person is a super host or not. So let's just say add this and text apply. So we say super host. Let's add another element, the photos. Or maybe before that, let's add the features like, hey, it has queen bed. And you can see that the one, two, three. So three items are already in here. So we put everything and say apply key features. Okay, and now let's add the photos. So for photos, the trick is to first click on the photo and select source URL. Apply. Now you see here that it already captured 5 photos. So I am only going to do this once because it already captured 5 photos. And say I also want to capture the price. So this one and text apply. And we say this is the price. Forgot to add the property name here. And we say that is an image. All right. And if this is important to you, you know how to do it. Just click and then add it. It's actually really, really easy to do it. Now, let's save this form and say Airbnb listing page and save. Okay, so now that it's done, we've created a template. We go back to the extension, and these are the information that Hexify scraped from the page. So you have the URL, the name, which is this one, the rating, and let's see, let's preview 5 more. The reviews, Superhost, key features, images. Okay, so now let's go and save it to Google Sheets. Okay, now where did it save? Okay, I'm back. So now this is the data that was scraped by Hexofy, and it's here on Google Sheets. Now let's do a little bit of test here and go back. Oh, it's the same page. Okay. And let's choose this one. So this is a new page, and let's do this. So I already have a template. It's showing going solo private room near Amsterdam. So it's quite good. And preview more. 13 reviews. There's the person is not a super host, and the features and the images. So let's bring it to Google Sheets again. And let's see here what happens. So now the next listing is here. So you can just go do it again and again. So as simple as that, within seconds, with one click, you can save to Google Sheets. And there you go. So we have here save to Google Sheets. So I hope that these answered some of your questions. And okay, why is this no key features? Let's have a look at the listing. All right, there are no key features. That's why. So I hope that you find this useful. And actually, if Chris gave me a tip today that if I use Google Sheets, it will append the next the data. So instead of using CSV, because with CSV I have to download each and every time I do something. Okay, and let's look also at the link here. You can see these are the images. All right. So I hope this helps, and I will put the link of Hexify, the description below, and also the link for all the Hexact products in the description below. Thank you so much, and see you again next time.